Hello guys, welcome to my channel Forex with Temilo. In this video, I'll be doing a quick breakdown of a trade I took on Euro USD during the London session today, 22nd of February. Let's get right into it. So from the 4 hours time frame, we can see that from last week, Euro USD was reacted off this 4 hour demand zone, pushing price up. And also we can see that this lower high was being taken out, it was broken, and from the on the 15 minutes time frame also we can see the on the 2 hours time frame we can see a clear we can see on the 2 hours time frame this imbalance that was left behind when this push went into this demand zone. Okay, so this imbalance was left behind, and I was anticipating that price will potentially go back to fill up this zone. So I was bullish. For this reason, I was bullish on Euro USD, and for the fact that we did not break below this 4 hour demand zone, price didn't break below it, so I was bullish on Euro USD. So price we had this break of structure above this lower high, because if we map out our structure, we see we have this high giving us this low, this high, low, lower high, then they push into this demand 4 hour demand zone. So we broke above this high right here. So I think last week I took some buys around this level. I took some buys and took price up here, took my profits around this zone. So yesterday I also wanted to go long, because then I was seeing this as some kind of liquidity equal highs that needs to be cleared. Okay, I was seeing this as liquidity that needs to be cleared in order to push up into this 2 hour supply area and fill up this imbalance right at this zone. So yesterday I took a buy trade here, but I was stopped out. So then today I had this zone marked out, this demand zone marked out, because I was still anticipating for this zone to be filled up. So I was watching this zone for potential buys. Okay, so of course I wouldn't want to enter off this 2 hour demand zone, because price could break below this zone. So I waited on the lower time frame to look for confirmations before I get into my buy. So I went down to the 5 minutes time frame, and on the 5 minutes time frame I had my on the 5 minutes time frame, you can see that we had a push into this demand zone that we have marked out. Take this to the left. Okay, so we tapped into this zone, so I was looking for areas where I can go long. Okay, so now all I need to do is wait for a shift in structure. We can see that we had this high push down, then we had this high, then we push down into this other block. So I was waiting for either of these highs to be taken out, okay, and look for entries. But this was my first points of interest to be taken out, and this was the second one. But I was able to get this we were able to get this break, and once we add that break, once we add this break, this candle took out this high. So I started looking for entry opportunities, and as you can see down here, we have this little demand zone with imbalance. Price left some gap in this zone, so I had this zone marked out as entry, as I had my buy limit set. And for stop loss, I decided to use this last low as my stop loss. Okay, so giving me a just about 8.9 pips stop loss, and I targeted this for my take profit. I targeted this imbalance right here, this imbalance at this place for my take profit, because of course I don't want to be in the trade for too long, because the market has potential to go below this zone, as price has reacted off this zone now two times. We had the first reaction, this is coming back to react again in this zone, so we need to be careful. Okay, so now back to the 5 minutes time frame. So back to the 5 minutes time frame. So on the 5 minutes time frame now, I had my buy limit set, and let's play, and price mitigated that zone, and we had that push. So, and that was how the London session trade went. Okay, so I was out of the trade at this level, because then price could potentially come back down to this zone, because now we can see we have imbalance left behind, and this impulsive, we have imbalance here, and this impulsive move to the upside, so price could potentially come back to fill up this zone. So I don't want to lose the uh, profit I had made already. So that was how the trade went during the London session. So I'll be looking for possible entry for another buy, because I still believe price will break above this high and get up to this 2-hour POI to fill this imbalance. So uh, that's just it about the Euro USD scalp trade, giving me a 4.5 RR, with about 40 pips profit. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you in another video of my London session scalps. Thank you.